Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must begin right now with the official charger and cable. This is the only reliable base for Redmi fast charging. Once connected to a proper 33W or 65W wall adapter, make sure background apps are closed and enable airplane mode or turn the screen off to reduce draw. This reduces heat and allows higher current top-up. Don't waste time testing random adapters. Start with the original hardware so the phone negotiates the fast charge protocol immediately and safely. Once done with the physical setup, go into settings and confirm the fast charge or enhanced charging toggle is enabled so the phone accepts higher voltage/current. Make sure the phone sits on a cool, breathable surface and remove thick cases to prevent thermal throttling, because heat reduces charging speed. Also, always use a PD or quick charge capable wall outlet. USB-A ports on old laptops or non-PD car chargers will slow negotiation and limit amperage, so choose the proper power source. To complete the session, let the battery climb to around 80% for the fastest ramp and then continue to full at a reduced rate. This protects battery health. If charging seems slow, systematically swap the cable, then the adapter, then try a different outlet to isolate the fault. Only original Xiaomi gear reliably negotiates protocols. If issues persist, restart the phone and check for system updates, because firmware can affect charging negotiation. That one troubleshooting path usually resolves stubborn slow charge cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.